Hello, this is Paul Evans, FEW Waterproofing. We've got a case study here on a concrete roof, which is in this particular building. It's Allied Mills in Melbourne. Basically, it's out its use-by date, the membrane system that was applied to it, probably when it was originally built. The downstairs of this roof was suffering from water ingress, and being a flour mills was a big no-no. You can't mix water and flour. We all know what happens there. So we had to stop the water. Now, the concrete roof basically was in good order itself, but the membrane over it was gone. So we had to remove the defective membrane system by a lot of manual labour of scraping it off in this situation. Access was a bit limited on this job and quite high up, as the images can show. We used mechanical scrapers to actually remove all the old polyurethane membrane, which had deteriorated rapidly. And once we removed all the polyurethane membrane off the concrete roof, we then went about cleaning the concrete roof again to ensure that we had a good bonding surface for the new liquid rubber membrane. Some areas needed some repatriation as they were a bit low in areas, so we screeded them up with a specially designed flexible screed. That then was overcoated with the liquid rubber membrane. To protect this concrete roof, it's important to make sure that liquid rubber is used because it's a highly flexible membrane. This high flexibility allows the building to move and shake. This building, actually being so tall, moves quite a fair bit, unbeknownst to the naked eye, but it does move around a fair bit. So just wind playing on the building causes vibration and movement. That movement is then taken up by using liquid rubber, which is highly flexible. Okay, so once we got one layer of liquid rubber down, we put an interlayer of fiberglass mesh into it again to toughen it up. Then overcoated the whole system with a Thermo Top Coat. This reduced the temperature below the concrete roof quite considerably by approximately 8 degrees, which helped with internal ventilation basically, and keeping the place cool inside during summer months. The system was fully overcoated with our thermo to produce a nice grey finish, which is pleasing on the eye as well as thermally reflective. This job turned out to be quite good. Everybody was pretty happy with it and worked out well in the end. So if you've got any questions, please give us a call on 03 8812 2918, or our website is www.waterproofingfew.com.au. Thanks for listening and bye for now.